Hi, this is a video on organizing your references that you've got into your Refworks account. First thing you can do is set up some folders. So at the moment, I'm in the All References view, but if I go down to My Folders, you can see there's various folders that I've set up here. So you could have them for different modules, different chapters, different assignment titles. If I want to add a folder, all I do is click on Add Folder and then give it a name. And you can see at the moment my new folder is empty. So to get items into this, all I need to do is click on All References again. Have it in my view on the side here, and then I can drag and drop items into the new folder. Alternatively, you could select multiple items or even select a whole page. And once they're highlighted, you can assign them to the folder that you want them to appear in. So now you'll see in my new folder, I have the whole page of 50 items. I can also create subfolders, so I could go add subfolder and I can delete the whole folder here too. If I wanted to delete an item from that folder, I can just select the item, go to delete, and then I can remove it just from that folder, or I can send it to trash and that will send the reference from All References and my new folder into the trash. And once in the trash, I can select the references, all of the deleted items, and delete them permanently from my Refworks account. Now, if I go back to All References, you'll see under each item it tells you which folder the items appear in. So this one is in 2 different folders. So using folders might be enough to organize your references, but you do also have the option to have more than one project. So at the moment, I just have my one project up here, but if I click on here, I can manage projects and I can create a new project. So having a second project will look like a completely fresh Refworks account. So if I click on project 2, you'll see that all my references are empty and my folders are empty too. So it isn't necessary to have more than one project, but it might be useful under some circumstances.